Efficiency is really important on my team. We bounce off each other constantly, educate each other on things we may do differently, better processes, and that speeds up install times dramatically. Everybody on this team works really hard. They know the job inside and out. Anybody on this team could jump on and pretty much lead if they wanted to. The install process really starts at the warehouse, making sure everything's organized, having everything you need before you leave out. As soon as we get to where we're going, we set up the ladders, we get everything we're gonna need close to the ladder, and then it's just an assembly line after that. We learn pretty quick how to work around any kind of issues we may have on the roof. Components that make a good install team are the people you work with being, very knowledgeable, hardworking, they get on the roof and they don't get off until the job's done, and being able to adapt and learn new things. What I've personally learned along the way to make my team a little bit more efficient is just finding out where everybody fits and letting people shine where they best work. Because again, being efficient is what we're ultimately striving for. About halfway through, we start prepping the panels, and from that point on, it's really trying to get them to look as straight as possible and clean and have no legs showing, and giving a good looking finished product. The install time can vary depending on the pitch of the roof, the amount of panels being placed, but generally within an 8 to 10 hour day, it can be done easily. This house behind me was a 32 pitch, so we had to get the steppers out to make it a little bit easier. Customer satisfaction is really important to Meraki, and it's extremely important to us as well. It's really nice to have somebody, step out to the yard and look at it and congratulate us and say it looks as good as we think it looks. We work hard every day, and it's nice to be recognized for that. We take pride in what we do, and we love working for Meraki.